Today we're going to take a look at how to rebuild or restore old style door panels with the metal stapled to the pressboard. Here's a shot of the backside, and the sheet metal is literally stapled to the thin board by a machine and some very tough staples along with the window felt. It looks pretty hard or even impossible to restore these door panels without a pneumatic stapler, but it can be done pretty easily. Instead of stapling, we'll glue it, and we'll put a staple on both ends by drilling, sticking the staple through, and folding it over. I know the glue holds and the method works because this door panel's been done for a while now. So the plan is to remove these staples, clean and glue the metal piece to the new panel, let that dry for 24 hours. Come back, insert the staples on the ends for strength in those critical areas, and then finish by gluing the vinyl with spray adhesive. Here's a close-up shot of the staples on the window felt, and we'll grind those out too. Now we'll just wipe this down with some rubbing alcohol. We'll put glue right in that flange, and right along here, glue it and clamp it. We have a 2x4 to clamp against underneath, and it's wrapped to protect the vinyl. We're going to make sure we have this right where we want it. Clamp that, and then go down to this end. We'll use these metal rods to distribute the pressure. And get under there. And they have a flat. They're like octagons. You can use anything. Here's a close-up of one side of that panel after it's glued and clamped, and a shot of the other side. We'll let this dry overnight, come back, put the staples on the ends, and glue this vinyl down. After the glue is dried overnight, we'll spray this with adhesive, glue that down, keep the adhesive off this padding, and then glue the vinyl to this. For the staples on the end, we just drilled 2 small holes, stuck the staple through there, squeezed it down, and folded the ends over. And here's a close-up of the other end with the staple installed. Finally, we'll install the window felt, and it has holes pre-drilled for the screws. Here's a close-up shot of those screws, and they sink down in there pretty good, so you don't have to worry about them scratching the glass. And that's it. We'll take our time and install it, and I'll be back to give you a few shots of that. I hope you enjoyed this video on rebuilding inner door panels on older cars. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Here's a quick shot after installing it.